I'm here with the MG Flasher team. We just developed a cool custom code for B58 owners called Burble On The Fly. With this innovation, you don't have to flash the vehicle or use sliders to adjust the aggressiveness of the burble. With a simple sequence of the Sport and MSA buttons, you can have your pops and bangs on the fly. Here's the current level of our 340i. To enable the first level of the burble, you switch to Eco Pro. You press the MSA button twice. You scroll back up to Sport Mode Plus. Level 1. To enable the level 2 of the burble, you switch to Comfort Mode. You press the MSA button twice, scroll back up to Sport Mode Plus. Here's your level 2. Burble on the Fly also offers no burble on any level. To enable, you switch to Sport Mode Plus. You press the MSA button twice. No burble on Sport Mode Plus. Burble on the Fly will be available in the next MG Flasher update. Stay tuned for more.